and gentlemen, it's showtime!
Hey everybody, Kristi coming back at you. We're gonna do a bloom. I've added all the necessary chemicals. Got a few colors left over and a few new ones made. I think I need a darker color. Yeah, let me mix up a darker color. Alright guys, so I grabbed some Porridge Posse Deep Lagoon Shimmer, and it was a nice dark color until I added the pouring medium. And it lightened up a whole bunch, so I added Phthalo Blue by Arteza. So grab my pillow here. Alright, so I got my pillow pane open. See a nice little puddle. Spread it around a little. Just a little. And I'm gonna have to get a skewer because I see all kinds of bubbles. Alright, so I'm gonna grab my skewer. Alright, I think I got them. Today's colors are Amsterdam, Reflex Rose, maybe. I've got the Pineapple Crush by Primary Elements. I've got the 24 karat Deco Art. I have this is Heavenly White. Is that Heavenly? What's this then? This is Heavenly White. I don't know, this got a little yellow. Oh, I bet it's iridescent. It's Interference Green by Amsterdam. Got Interference Blue if we want to use some of it, but no stick. Alright. Then I've got this deep purple, which I don't know if I want to use or not either. I don't know nothing today. Then we've got this Tortamine Extreme Sheen Pink. Tortamine, or I can't pronounce it. This is the Primary Elements Fairy Wings. Why am I not doing this on camera? Fairy Wings. I did the Pineapple Crush. This is the Color Shift Purple by Folk Art. And this, I already told you what it was, didn't I? The green the Porch Posse Deep Lagoon Shimmer and some phthalo blue because my pouring medium made it so light I didn't like it. Got some purple in there. Just a smidge of our Reflex Pink by Amsterdam. Come on, I just want the rest of it going. That's good. Get my yellow in there. Oh my goodness. I think somebody's here the way the dogs are running around like maniacs. Come on, Pop. Alright. Oh, I don't want to do gold on top of yellow. Let's do a little of this tortamine pink by Extreme Sheen. This is the Heavenly White. Yeah, I'm not seeing no color reflex back at me. And I don't think I want to put much more on there. That's a lot of paint. This dark purple. And then another one empty. Alright. A little bit of green on top just because it's like falling out. I think I'm going to need some more polo around here. Day after the grocery store, my back hurts so bad, and that's today. Alright. I think I'm gonna blow it. I really do. I don't know, but I like this wipe. Get all this out of the way. Put a little interference blue in it, because there isn't any blue at all. That's surprising for me. Alright. Need the black CA or the white CA. Make black. And then I think I'm going to wreck the heck out of it. Let's grab the dryer. Let it come back in for a minute and see what we've done. I'm not liking that. We can mess that all up. See what we have and what we can. I love this. I'm probably gonna lose it off the edge when I spin anyway. If I spin. I think I will spin. I didn't like what that started doing at all. I guess because I stuck my finger in it. Each hit the spinner. Alright guys, here we are. Moment of truth. Let's spin it. Oh, that blue. Interference blue or reflex blue or the one that's white that just turns into blue when you have it in the right light. Alright, well we gotta do better than that, don't we? Oh, almost ripped the stick off. Come on, cool cells, cool cells, cool cells. And the answer is no. I don't know. I think that's pretty cool. I kind of wish some more of that reflex pink would have showed up. Like in here. Tilt it this way. Am I in your way? I am in your way. Alright, well, we're going to spin it one more time because I don't like this. And I want that to come off. Well, most of it came off. One more spin I'll spin. Well, I like that. That's very, very pretty. Very, very sparkly. Can you see the sparkle in that? You will later when I use the flash. That is so pretty. Alright, next time you see me, we'll be doing a close-up. This one turned out pretty cool. Look at the gold shimmer in that. I can see why everybody likes the deco art gold. Look at that. Very pretty. Very cool. It's got a lot of the reflex colors in it. You can see the shimmer and blue. I put shimmer and green in it. I'm not sure. But there it is. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, leave me a comment.